life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing.
So the customer will help me because I have to reverse all the street up to get out of here. Okay, what's up people? So we got a special one today. I just know that it's like a very small street. I just checked it in Google Maps and it looks pretty narrow, a lot of parked cars, and as usual the customer is not answering the phone. So it's a totally unknown adventure again, and we just arrived in less than 2 minutes, I guess. And yeah, hopefully we can get some nice shots, and hopefully it's not as sweaty as usual. It's just the next street to the right. Tip, tip. I'm pretty sure that I can't turn in here. And to be honest, I can't see the construction site or even some workers. Oh, there are pallets. Okay, I have to close this street for sure. Okay, so I will just hit you up with the unloading part.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night pinning. There ain't point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming. Okay, this a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it.
Okay, so there's a lot of trouble behind me for no reason, because they just can pass me on the right. Now I will make more space, maybe this help. I really don't know what this guy is doing there. Yeah. So the customer will help me because I have to reverse all the street up to get out of here, because I can't turn down there, and for no reason he's tilted. He's tilted, but I don't know why. Okay, so let's get out of here. Come on, pass me. Oh, why is this always so stressful? Just get out of the way. Another small truck. So now we just have to reverse on into that street. I have to use the other lane. And we are out, let's go. Okay, this takes us at least 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's get back to the company, and then we have one trip left for today. But it's just a 2-kilometer trip and it's pretty easy. So thanks for watching, help me out, support the channel, and we see us next time.